Hi, this is Darcy from Lumos Learning. Today, I will demonstrate Lumos EdSearch. It's a powerful educational search engine that can assist you in addressing the learning needs of students. It's designed to help teachers, parents, and students find great educational content, engaging videos, worksheets, interactive quizzes, practice questions, and much more. So let's dive straight into EdSearch and see it in action. Go to the Lumos homepage and click on the search option. Type anything that you are looking for in the search bar. This gives you a list of curated standards-aligned study resources. Click on Web Search to view the resources provided by Google. Strict filters are applied to this and the results are student safe. Use the relevant filter options. Select grade, subject, and get access to thousands of informational resources. You can further filter by selecting the appropriate fields in the category section. We have a wide range of options such as videos, presentations, pins, books, etc. In a distance learning scenario, you might want your students to view a set of videos before attending the class. Let's see how to do that. Select Grade 5 and Subject Math. To view engaging educational videos, click on Videos under the Category section. Here are some great resources. Create your own resource kit by clicking on the plus icon next to each video. Likewise, you can use the filter options to choose to add questions to your resource kit. Lessons from Khan Academy and many more to your resource kit. Great! Your personalized resource kit is ready. Click on the My Resource Kit at the top of your screen. Click on the Assign button at the top right corner to share this with your students. Create a lesson option allows you to edit the assessment and monitor student progress. With the Present button, you can display this content on a projector or share screen on a virtual Zoom class. Create a bookmark allows you to share these resources with your students. Click on Create Lesson. Enter lesson name. In this case, we'll type Practice 1. Answer all of the required fields and hit Submit. You'll be redirected to the assignment window. Here you can add a description and then simply choose the students from the drop-down section and hit Assign. Isn't this easy and great? It saves a lot of time you spend in search of these quality study resources and materials. Hope you loved Lumos EdSearch. What are you waiting for? Create your own custom resource kit and share it with your students. I'll be back soon with another awesome feature of Lumos Step Up. Until then, stay safe and take care.